Hello everyone, welcome to this series on literary terms, and in this video we are going to discuss the term Anamnesis. Introduction. Anamnesis, derived from the Greek word meaning recalling to mind, refers to the recollection of ideas, people or events often from a previous existence. This concept frequently appears in memoirs and autobiographies where personal memories are central. However, it also extends beyond these genres, infiltrating works of fiction and poetry. Writers use anamnesis as a special kind of harking back, where the process of memory becomes integral to the storytelling. This video explores the role of anamnesis in literature, focusing on its use in fiction and poetry. Anamnesis in fiction. Anamnesis plays a significant role in fiction, often appearing as a device through which characters or narrators reflect on past experiences to understand their present. A famous example is Marcel Proust's À la recherche du temps perdu, In Search of Lost Time, where the narrative is deeply rooted in recollections of past events. Proust's work revolves around the idea of involuntary memory, where a simple sensory experience can trigger a flood of memories, allowing the protagonist to relive moments long forgotten. This exploration of memory provides the foundation for much of the novel's structure and thematic depth. Proust's approach to memory underscores the significance of anamnesis in fiction. It is not just a literary technique, but a means of exploring identity, time, and consciousness. In À la recherche du temps perdu, the act of remembering becomes a journey into the self, with memory serving as the bridge between the past and the present. Anamnesis in poetry. The anamnestic element is particularly prominent in poetry, where recollection can add emotional resonance and depth to the themes being explored. Several notable poets have integrated this technique into their work, including W.B. Yeats, Ezra Pound, T.S. Eliot, and W.H. Auden. In the poetry of W.B. Yeats, anamnesis often emerges in the form of personal and historical memory. Yeats frequently invokes the past, whether personal memories or ancient Irish history, to comment on the present. His poem The Tower reflects on aging, memory, and the passage of time, with the past serving as a critical lens through which the poet contemplates his current state of being. Similarly, Ezra Pound's The Cantos are infused with anamnesis, drawing upon historical and literary figures to create a tapestry of collective memory. Pound's use of memory is not limited to personal experiences, but extends to cultural and historical recollection, aiming to evoke a sense of continuity between the past and the present. T.S. Eliot's Four Quartets also exemplifies anamnesis in poetry. Throughout the work, Eliot weaves personal and historical memories, using recollection as a way to explore the nature of time, existence, and spiritual experience. The recurring theme of returning to moments from the past underscores the importance of anamnesis as a tool for understanding the cyclical nature of life. W.H. Auden similarly utilizes anamnesis in poems like In Memory of W.B. Yeats, where he reflects on the legacy of the poet and the passage of time. Auden's use of anamnesis not only recalls the individual life of Yeats, but also serves to meditate on the broader theme of artistic and cultural memory. Anamnesis and the writer's creative process. The role of anamnesis in the creative process can be linked to the Socratic concept of maieutics, where the act of remembering is a means of generating new ideas. Writers often rely on memory, whether personal or collective, as a source of inspiration. This recollection allows them to tap into experiences, emotions, and events that shape their creative work. In this sense, anamnesis becomes a key part of the writer's maieutic process, enabling them to recall and rework past experiences to generate new meaning. Conclusion: anamnesis, or the recollection of the past ideas, people, and events, plays a significant role in literature, particularly in memoirs, autobiographies, fiction, and poetry. It allows writers to explore the complexities of memory, identity, and time, using recollection as a bridge between the past and the present. Whether in Proust's À la recherche du temps perdu, Yeats's reflections on Irish history, or Eliot's meditations on time in 4 quartets, anamnesis enriches the narrative, offering both writers and readers a deeper understanding of human experience. Through the lens of anamnesis, literature becomes a space where the past continually informs and shapes the present, making it a powerful tool for exploring the depths of consciousness and creativity. So this was the discussion on the term anamnesis. We will meet in the next video and discuss some other term. Until then, goodbye and thank you.